This question belongs to Database Management System subject and was asked in GATE CSE 2014 Set 2. So the question states, consider the following schedule as of transactions T1, T2, T3 and T4. So here the schedule is given. Which one of the following options is correct? S is conflict serializable but not recoverable. S is not conflict serializable but is recoverable. S is both conflict serializable and recoverable. S is neither conflict serializable nor it is recoverable. So here there are two terms, conflict serializable and recoverable. Let us see them one by one. So when can we say that a schedule is conflict serializable? So S is, you can say short form CS, conflict serializable if there exists a serial schedule. This is basically the definition. If there exists a serial schedule, that is conflict equal to our schedule S. And the shortcut for doing this is, if it is a schedule is conflict serializable if and only if it has acyclic precedence graph. Okay. Now, how do we draw the precedence graph? So, precedence graph is basically drawn based on our reads and writes. So, there exists an edge. From I to J. If and only if there are two operations I and J, then there exists an edge from transaction. Let me write it like this. There exists an edge from transaction Ti to Tj. When there exists an edge, when both of them are different transactions, which means I is not equal to J, and both operate on same data item, both operate on same data item, and more than one is one or more than one is a write operation. Okay, now let us draw. So see, first we have this write, read, write, write, read, read, read. So first let us draw T1, T2, T3 and T4. Let us start with this read. Now let us see whether this forms a edge or not. One of them is write, yes. Different transactions on the same data item, yes. So T2 to T3 is a edge. Now let us see T2 to T1. Yes, one of them is a write, different transactions and same data item. So T2 to T1 is also an edge. Then T2 can't have any edge with the same T2. T2 can have with T4 or not. Read cannot have with read X because one of them need to be write. It cannot have with read of Y because X is not equal to Y. They should operate on same data item. We are done with this. Let us see for write of X. So write of X can have with read of X. So T3 to T4 there is an edge. It can't have with read of Y because of different data item. It can have with this write of X because same data item, different transaction, more than one is write. So T3 to T1 will also be an edge. Now T3 to T2 won't be an edge because X is not present. So this is done. Now let us do write of X. So write of X is not present over here. We need to see all the transactions after this. So T3 there is no transaction after this point. Here we have write and read. So T1 to T4 will be there. T1 to T4. Okay. Now let us do for this write of Y. There is no transaction of T1 and T3. With T4 it will have because there is write of Y and read of Y. So T2 to T4 there will be an edge from T2 to T4. Now let us do read of Z, but there is no transaction on Z. Read of X, there is no transaction after this. Read of Y, there is no transaction after this. Now let us see whether there exists a cycle or not. No, this one, see, this one is not a cycle because this edge is like this. Now this one is also not a cycle. You can easily see that there is no cycle being formed over here. So thus it is conflict serializable because it has acyclic precedence graph. So it is conflict serializable. Let us see recoverability. For this, first we need to see what is a dirty read. Recoverability means if there exists a dirty read by transaction Tj on Ti and commit and Tj commits before commit or either rollback of Ti. So let us suppose we have two transactions Ti and Tj. So what is a dirty read? Dirty read means a transaction Ti has written some data item, let us suppose X, and then Tj comes and it reads the data item X, and this Ti shouldn't have been committed by till then. So if we read an data item that has been updated by an uncommitted transaction, then that is a dirty read. And for it to be recoverable, the commit of Tj should be before the commit or rollback of Ti. First, let us see whether there exists a dirty read or not. There is no write of X before this. See, this is read, but it is write. So write should be first. So there is no dirty read. Okay. So dirty reads can only be done by a read operation. So let us just analyze read operation. This read has no write above it. This read has no write on Z above it. This read have write of X this one and have write of X this one, but both of them commits before its commit. So it is not a dirty read. So there is no dirty read. So it is recoverable. So this is also recoverable and conflict serializable. So answer is option A. S is conflict serializable. No, not option A. It is both conflict serializable and recoverable. So answer is option C. S is both conflict serializable and recoverable.